Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to draw a beautiful scenic view from a window. First, let's start by drawing the window frame. Use a ruler to draw straight lines for the sides, top and bottom of the window. Then draw vertical and horizontal lines to create the window panes. Next, draw the curtains on both sides of the window. Use curved lines to depict the folds in the fabric, giving them a realistic flowing appearance. Now let's draw the landscape outside the window. Start by sketching the horizon line and then draw the mountain shapes in the distance. Use a darker pencil to add shading and texture to the mountains. Below the mountains, draw the lake and horizontal line to represent the water and create a reflection effect. Remember to vary the line intensity for a more natural look. In the sky, draw a large sun or moon and add few birds flying in the distance. Use simple curved lines for the birds to keep it easy and effective. Finally, add the balcony railing at the bottom. Draw vertical and horizontal lines to form the structure. Make sure the lines are parallel and evenly spaced. And there you have it, a peaceful scenic view from a window. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing. See you in next video.